Hello everyone, welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. And today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. Now the topic is Ladakh group submit draft proposal to MHA on statehood, sixth schedule status. Now Ladakh's major group, particularly the Leh Apex body, which is also known as LAB, and the Kargil Democratic Alliance, which is also known as KDA, have submitted a 29-page draft proposal to the Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA), and their key demands include the statehood for Ladakh and implementation of the sixth schedule and job and land safeguards to protect their region's tribal identity and resources. Now, the delegation also sought early resumption of talks with the center, amnesty for several activists booked during earlier protests, release of detained climate activist Sonam Wangchuk supporters who were arrested during the recent agitation. Talks between the center and Ladakh groups had stalled after September 23 violence, and the groups are pushing for urgent steps to revive negotiations. Now, they argue that the sixth schedule protection is essential due to the region's fragile ecology, tribal population, as well as the strategic sensitivity of the region. Now, they are also talking about a hunger strike. The Ladakh MHA talks hit a dead end in September after Mr. Wangchuk organized a 3-week hunger strike to press for the early resumption of talks over statehood and sixth schedule. And locals, including supporters, Mr. Wangchuk hit the streets on September 24 over the MHA's delay in announcing talks. This resulted in violence, which left 4 locals dead and around 90 people injured. On October 2022, the LAB and Kargil Democratic Alliance (KDA) resumed the talks with the MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs. The delegation held talks with the subcommittee headed by LAB chairman Thupstan Chiwang and KDA's Kamar Ali Khoon, and all these people besides Ladakh Member of Parliament Haji Hanifa Jain. So now let's understand the relevance of this news article in UPSC. So for polity and governance, it becomes very important. Then for tribal safeguards, it becomes very important. Safeguards. For internal security, it becomes very important. Then center and state relations. Again, it's a very important topic. And lastly, ethics and governance also. This becomes very important news. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.